what I've described of shadow boxing, of picturing yourself on the victory stand, of seeing yourself somewhere in the future that's different than where you are now, that's moving to another dimension. Einstein said, and I'll paraphrase, you can find the exact quote, and I'll be fairly close. I'll get it at least 80% correct. But he said that you cannot solve a problem at the same level that it was created. So, problem is at 3D. Solving it at 3D doesn't work. You got to go up a couple levels. You got to see possibilities that don't appear to exist, yet they do exist. Well, where do they exist? At 5D. Everything that you can ask a question about has an answer. Principle number 1 in Psycho-Cybernetics of the 5, goal already exists and the answer already exists. Any question